Hello again, this is just a reminder to hit like and subscribe and comment on this video and any others to be entered at our $50 giveaway when we reach 1,500 subscribers. You must be a U.S. resident, so please hit that like and subscribe button. Today our little adventure takes us to Big Lots. They just put out most of the Halloween stuff. They will see a larger uniform experience than they have the smaller items out, so we'll go back to see what else they have in the future. I will say one repeating theme that I see at Big Lots every year is the creepy, scary doll. So if you're really into creepy, scary dolls, this is definitely a place you want to go. They always have lots of them. This is one of their larger electronics, scary skeleton that comes to get you when you hit the button.
Welcome to a haunted house.
This is a cool figure, sort of this pumpkin eater figure. This is an animatronic tombstone that just has, in my opinion, too much stuff happening. But there is some interesting effects, especially the light up inside feature, which I thought was really neat. These were outdoor pumpkins. They were large, sort of ceramic style pumpkins. This was the main display of the scarier Halloween items. This is the Death Head Moth Pumpkin, which is very popular right now and has a purple light inside. Some scary trees. I think you can find better ones at Target. At least I like the ones at Target. And there's also light up trees at Walmart. Scary dish towels, which surprisingly are some of the most popular items in Halloween. Some nice light up table decorations. This one is very cool. And the prices here are pretty reasonable. Here we have the Hand of God figurine. I have seen those a little bit smaller at the Dollar Tree. A black pumpkin with stars and holes, also with the purple light. Probably would match the Death Head Moth Pumpkin. And these purple light up skeletons that would match the Hand of God and also the Death Head Moth and the other purple skeleton. These are one of their big items this year, the snakes and the spiders coming out of the eyes, although that spider's too big. Don't like the glitter on this, but I'm sure some people will like it. floor mats. This one was pretty good, so I really thought this was nice, comparable to ones that you would see at home. The usual Raven, Edgar Allan Poe skull with the Raven on top. I'm not crazy about the way these are sculpted. I wish they were more realistic. This is a cool piece they've had. It's sort of a purple glow hand, sort of a steampunk style. Not crazy about that. These weren't bad, these skeletons with a candle. This is a popular item, so if you find it, you might want to get it. This is an interactive haunted house. It lights up different windows. You can find a more expensive version that projects bats on the wall at Cracker Barrel, unless it's already sold out. So this haunted house is one of the big sellers. Gothic mirror. And here we have another of the creepy doll sections. Most of these are animatronic. They rock back and forth, move, light up. And this one drives in circles. Except she didn't want to drive for me. These were kind of strange. They were a teal-colored spider with a skull on its head. I thought it was very bizarre. I like the color scheme. I wish they had a color scheme that was teal and black. This was really cool. It was an inexpensive zombie that crawls on the ground towards you and lights up. I really thought that was a really fun animatronic, not too expensive. You can see him crawling on the floor, coming to get you. So look at that section. One more teeny section over here. The usual light up doorknob eyeball thing. Chainsaw. Interactive paintings. These are more decorative, cutesy Halloween pieces. These have a style similar to Target. I don't know if I should get that tablecloth for my witch display. Various candles, although I don't understand why there's a rainbow candle in the Halloween section. Nice, inexpensive pieces of table decor, and there he is. There he is, the man of the hour, the gnome that I hate. Oh my god. I love the graphic signs. I love the graphic signs, and I love the vintage signs that, you know, stores like this, even Michael's has. It's cute. I do need more placemats, but these are too glitzy and glamoury for what I need. More of the modern signs, they're pretty nice looking. I almost debated about getting these, but they didn't have two that matched. So this one says "Oh So Spooky," and the second one doesn't have any writing at all on it, so it didn't quite match up right. These were cute porcelain figures. Those were stack block letters. That was nice. I thought that was a nice... These stacked pumpkins is a really nice thing. I believe those are porcelain. Couldn't get it to work. I've seen a skull stack like that too at Walmart and a few other places.
Like and subscribe to the channel.
I gotta check back on those. I need some of those. These I was debating on. These are pumpkins that hang and they sort of subtly glow. I might go back and get those. I really like them. Lastly, we have these sort of generic t-shirts. This is my costume. The Nightmare Before Christmas, Snoopy, More adult wear. There was some pajamas here. So a little something for everybody, not too expensive. Okay, so that's our tour of Big Lots Halloween. I think I'm going to give this maybe 3.5 stars. A nice selection, but I think there's more coming out. Once again, hit like and subscribe for more, and please comment below so you can be entered into our $50 contest. Thank you for watching.